Hello, and welcome to the InfoZoom video series. Today we're going to be talking about creating some basic analysis within InfoZoom. My name is Steve Pesclo, President of SoftLake Solutions, and what we really want to what I want to talk about today is some of the more basic, simpler things. By far, like 80% of the analysis you're doing can be covered in these really two drop-down menus. Under sum, you can do sums, averages, counts, as well as under percentage. Percentage shares are a common analysis technique. Again, these are really quite easy to set up. So if you go and bring your data in, go to the overview, under the analysis menu, there are four drop downs, and you can see that there's sums and averages and counts, a percentage share. There's also capability of doing standard deviations, but for the most part, these will be the more common ones: sums, averages, and counts. To do these, it's really quite straightforward. There's really two approaches: is analysis on a single attribute. So here I highlighted one, and if I want to go ahead and create maybe an average of that one, you can see that it goes ahead and creates that average, and I can move it. And this will change based upon what I'm drilling into. So if I drill into these, you can see how it's changing. My context is changing as I'm drilling through here. Now another way to do it is to do by two dimensions or two different attributes. So here again, I select my claim amount. That's what I want to analyze. And then I hit my control button, and this is what I want to analyze by. So in this case, I want to see claims by a branch office. I go up to sum, and I can do the same idea to do a sum or average or a count. In this case, if I do a sum, you'll notice that it keeps the two together. Here we call that coupling. And so then I can then see the highest claims per branch office. And then of course, then I can do all sorts of, charting and graphing on that as well. So this is an example of the sums. Down here is an example of percentage share, which is also under percent here. Same principle, you just really look for, in this case, this is a analysis of Benford's law, but it's the same principle where you're just going ahead and selecting the different attributes and then what you want to do it by. So in this case, if I want to do more of a bell curve, I can see that in this case it's a classification of age. So this is the end of the series. So if you have any questions about it, please contact us. We'd love to help, and hopefully you have a good time with the InfoZoom analysis. Thanks.